Hello, welcome back to the channel. We have order of operation question. Don't fall under the trap saying the answer of this question is equal to 8. Don't be among of those who are taking this as 8 minus 8, 0, then multiply by 8 plus 8, and they take 0 multiplied by 8, they get 0 plus 8, and they end up getting the answer equal to 8, which is wrong. So what's supposed to be done? We're supposed to follow the order of operation, and according to our question here, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction and addition. So we are going to multiply negative 8 multiplied by 8. That is going to be 8 multiplied by 8, we got minus 64. Then we are going to add by 8. Now we have subtraction and addition, and according to PEMDAS, all of them, they carry the same priority. So since we are going from left to right, we are going to start with 8 minus 64. We are going to get minus 56 plus 8. Now we are going to finish with addition. Minus 56 plus 8, we get minus 48. And this is our final answer. I hope you understand this question. For more questions on order of operation, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.